Do you forget people's names immediately after learning them? Learn how to remember names with Name Recall, a game on the Elevate app. Remembering people's names is key to building relationships. So why is it so hard? There are two primary reasons why it's tough to remember names. First, we often learn names in social situations when we're not practicing active listening. And second, our brains don't have anything concrete to attach new names to, making it tough for them to move from our short-term memory into our long-term memory. You can practice overcoming both of these things with Elevate's Name Recall game.
Maggie runs our math department and is also the cheerleading coach. Dominic teaches language arts.
After actively listening to audio introductions, you'll practice using mnemonics to pair names with concrete details about people, making it easier for your brain to move that information to your long-term memory. Mnemonic devices are 2 to 3 times more effective in helping people remember information than any other recall method because they take advantage of your brain's natural ability to remember associations and create mental images. And the more you practice using mnemonics and name recall, the easier it will be for you to transfer the skill to your daily life. If you want to finally learn how to remember people's names and develop more meaningful relationships, check out the Name Recall game in Elevate.